Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Today I'm going to cook, well I'm not cooking these, but I'm going to use some of these Japanese style milk buns. Not had them before, I thought it'd be something different. There we go, there's some ingredients there. So with them, I've still got not very much, but I've got a bit of salami left. While I'm at it, I've got a couple of rashers of bacon as well. So I'm going to have a couple of rashers of bacon, a bit of salami, in some Japanese style milk buns. I've got a couple of eggs that I'm going to have. So I'll get it all in a pan. There we go, there's the salami in there. That's all the salami used up now, so there we go. Looks nice, doesn't it? Nice if my pan didn't rock around everywhere, but you know, whatever. It's rocking. It looks quite nice, that. So I'm going to have 2 milk buns. Wow, they are well soft. Cool. Yeah, they look nice. Alright, just need a squeaky cupboard, as always. Still not oiled that cupboard. One of these days though. Yeah, that looks nice. What's my butter looking like today? I'll probably pour it on there, saying that. Oh, yeah, it could be well melted. Looks like I might be brushing this one on. If I can find my brush. There it is. Let's just see if we can sort it out in a minute, eh? So no oil in here today, no Kerrygold in here today. There'll be some in the rolls, but you know, should be alright. It's looking nice, isn't it? Put some more for the couple of eggs. Give that a bit more, eh? Let's get it there. Nearly there. I'll crank it up for a minute. Just while it's doing its thing. Oh yeah. That's how I want it. Just a bit more crunch. Right. I think I could probably get away with that. Get bacon around their side there. Nice bit of fat in there. See what these eggs are like. Well, that one looks alright. Whatever that is. Oh yeah, that looks quite nice. Well, you know what I'm missing, didn't you? Oh, nearly. Really missed a few chilli flakes in there. There we go. A little bit of black pepper. Sprinkle of salt. That's it, I think that bacon's about done. Need a bit of separation going there. Oh. Cool, the egg don't really give up the bacon, look at that. Oh no. Having a bit of a nightmare. Oh well, right. I'm just going to get these bits out now. Just just chuck them in a bowl for a minute. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. That's a bit sustained by the looks of it. Trying to separate the eggs. Not very successfully by the looks of it. Right there. Oh, got it. There you go. Right, I'm going to flip it. Just to give them a little bit of just a second on that side. Turn the gas off. Oh, there we go. Oh, that one might be leaking. Right. Even though they're lovely and soft, my butter looks a bit runny, so I'm just going to brush it on, I think. That'd be alright. Probably pour a bit on there. There we go. Right. Let's see if we can do something with this crispy bits of bacon. I think that's one. Nice bits of me things there. Salami. Is that what that's like? Oh, it's just right on the edge. Yeah, maybe slightly overcooked, but still looks a nice meal. Right, I'm going to chuck in. There we go. It's all in there. There you go, that's a bit better. Lunch today. Salami, bacon, egg, chili flakes, Japanese style rolls. Japanese style milk buns. Kerrygold poured on. Right. I'll see you later, everyone. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.